Hi there, I'm David Watts. Some of you know that already. And I'm back now and with a subject I've been thinking about probably for about 2 decades. It has to do with contentment. What I want to know is what is it that makes people content? So we're going to talk about that. There'll be a little bit of science, a little bit of art, a little bit of philosophy, a little bit homegrown wisdom, if you will. And look, I made a list. I made this list because I wrote a book about this just recently, not published yet, but it's going to be out there to be published sometime later this month. Examine life, nature, love, humor, don't be stupid, music, the idea of enough. We're even going to talk about the afterlife. There's some contentment knowing or speculating on that a little bit, right? Mainly, we're just going to have a lot of fun. So join me, won't you? It's coming up soon.